Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn phone repair online. First, begin by understanding basic electronics and safety. This foundational knowledge is crucial before handling any devices. Next, familiarize yourself with common phone components like screens, batteries, and charging ports and their specific functions. Finally, invest in essential tools such as screwdrivers, spudgers, and heat guns to start your repair journey effectively. Once you have the basics, focus on mastering common repairs like screen replacements and battery swaps, which are frequently needed. Practice these procedures carefully to build confidence and precision. Additionally, develop your soldering skills for more intricate component-level repairs. Always utilize the vast resources of online tutorials and detailed repair manuals to guide you through each step, ensuring successful outcomes. To advance your skills, learn to diagnose complex software and hardware issues, which often require a deeper understanding of device architecture. Consider exploring micro-soldering for intricate repairs on logic boards, a skill that can significantly expand your service offerings. Furthermore, actively participate in online communities and forums. These platforms offer invaluable support, shared knowledge, and solutions to challenging repair problems. As you gain expertise, consider building your own repair business. Start by sourcing high-quality replacement parts from reliable suppliers to ensure lasting repairs and customer satisfaction. Developing strong customer service skills is equally important for building trust and a positive reputation. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your workspace. This comprehensive approach will help you succeed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.